Time for some sound work. Please repeat the sound after I make it. E. Repeat. E. Now write the 2 ways that you can write E. Number 2, I. Repeat. I. Please write the 3 ways. There's 3 ways to write the sound I. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. Number 3, O. Repeat. O. Please write the 2 ways you can say the sound O. Pause the video if you need more time because I'm going to show you the way that you're supposed to have written them. Number 1, E. E, consonant E, comma, E. I can be written I, consonant E, can also be written as I, can also be written as Y when Y is acting as a vowel. Then our last one, O. It's O, consonant E, comma, O. If you got any of these incorrect, please write them correctly so you get that experience. I'll see you next time.